My name is Train Pham. I'm a dietitian at Health Promotion and Wellness. With summer being just around the corner and a lot of produce coming into season, I thought today would be a great day to talk about fruits. So you probably already know that eating fruits is great for your health, but did you know that some fruits are healthier than others? Well, keep watching this video and I'll give you a list of some of the healthiest fruits on this planet that you should definitely slice or dice into. Apples. Apples are incredibly popular and they're very nutritious as well. Apples contain high amounts of fiber, potassium, vitamin C, K, and some B vitamins. And your body needs all of these things in order to function properly. Research studies also suggest that the antioxidants that are found in apples promote heart health as well as reduce risk of certain diseases. What's more, apples contain pectin, and pectin is a prebiotic fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which helps to improve digestion as well as metabolic health. So maybe an apple a day does keep the doctor away. Avocados. Avocados, yes, they're actually a nutrient-dense fruit. Avocados are a little bit different from other fruits because they are low in carbohydrate and they're made up mostly of healthy fats. Most of the fat in an avocado is oleic acid, which is a monounsaturated fat that's been linked to reduced inflammation as well as better heart health. Avocados are also loaded with fiber, magnesium, and potassium. As a matter of fact, 28% of the recommended daily intake for potassium can be found in just one small, amazing fruit. Bananas. Bananas are packed with vitamins and minerals, but probably the best known fact about this fruit is that it's sky high in potassium. An adequate potassium intake is associated with reduced blood pressure as well as a lower risk of stroke. One medium banana provides about 12% of the recommended dietary intake for this mineral. A unique characteristic about bananas is their carbohydrate makeup. Carbohydrates in unripe bananas is made up mostly of resistant starch. And resistant starch can improve your blood sugar control as well as make you feel full. And like apples, bananas also contain pectin, which is very beneficial for your digestive health. Berries. Berries are highly nutritious and they're loaded with antioxidants that give them powerful health benefits. Two berries in particular are just absolute rock stars. The first one is blueberries. Blueberries are high in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, as well as manganese. But berries are exceptionally high in antioxidants that can help protect our bodies from chronic illnesses and our brain from memory decline. And it is believed that blueberries probably have the most antioxidant among all of the fruits that we commonly eat. The second rock star in the berry family is strawberries. Strawberries are full of vitamin C, manganese, folate, as well as potassium. And their low glycemic index compared to the other fruits that we eat means that eating them won't cause our blood sugar to spike. And strawberries are also rich in antioxidants, which may reduce the risk of some chronic illnesses. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruit are very popular and they're eaten all over the world. And you probably already know that they are super high in vitamin C. So there are a couple of citrus fruit that I think deserve some special recognition. So the first one is grapefruit. Besides being an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, grapefruits have also been linked in research to weight loss as well as reduced insulin resistance. What's more, eating grapefruits have also been shown to help reduce cholesterol levels as well as help prevent kidney stone formation. Oranges is another citrus fruit that deserves some special recognition. besides being high in vitamin C, potassium, and B vitamins, they also contain plant compounds that are responsible for most of their health benefits. These plant compounds are flavonoids, carotenoids, as well as citric acid. And citric acid is very helpful in helping us increase iron absorption and prevent anemia. Red and purple grapes. So the antioxidant content in red and purple grapes is what really makes them stand out. The anthocyanin and the resveratrol that are found in red and purple grapes have both been shown to reduce inflammation. And studies that use animals suggest that the plant compounds in the red and purple grapes may help protect your heart, eyes, joints, as well as your brain. Mangoes. Mangoes are not only delicious, but they are also very high in vitamin C. Mangoes also contain soluble fiber, which serves as a food source for the good bacteria in your gut. Soluble fiber can also help to lower your blood cholesterol, as well as stabilizing your glucose levels and lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Mangoes also have plant compounds with strong antioxidant properties that may reduce your risk of certain diseases, and they also, the plant compounds also have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Pineapple. Pineapples are tropical superstars. 1 cup of pineapple contains 131% of the recommended daily intake for vitamin C and 76% of the RDI for manganese, which your body needs for proper metabolism. Also, pineapples are full of bromelain, which is an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties as well as its ability to digest protein. So that's why you see bromelain used in a lot of meat tenderizers. So in test tube as well as animal research studies, the results suggest that bromelain may protect against cancer as well as tumor growth. Tomatoes. Yes, botanically speaking, tomatoes are a fruit. Tomatoes are probably our major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene. Lycopene has been linked to many health benefits like reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. And generally speaking, the redder the tomato, the more lycopene it has. Tomatoes are also great sources of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. And these vitamins are found in the highest concentration on the skin. Finally, the iconic summer fruit, you guessed it, watermelon. So 92% of a watermelon is made up of water. So that's why when you eat it during the hot summer months, it helps to hydrate you. And the high water content also helps to fill you up. So watermelons are also super high in vitamin A and vitamin C, as well as important antioxidants like lycopene, which is also found in tomatoes. So lycopene intake has been associated with reduced risk of cancers, and lycopene-rich foods can help to promote heart health because of their ability to reduce cholesterol as well as blood pressure. So the bottom line is, all fruits are healthy and they should be an important part of a balanced diet. Just keep in mind that some fruits are healthier than others. So try to include a variety of the fruits that we featured today in our video to give your health the extra boost. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Live well, live wise, everyone.